Biohacking is a branch of transhumanism. One of its primary objectives is to employ a diverse range of cutting-edge technologies to achieve optimal levels of physiological performance through the enhancement of human embodiment. That's just one definition. These technologies include germline genetic engineering like CRISPR, as well as grinding. So grinding is the insertion of implantable devices into the body. So has anyone heard of Neuralink? Elon Musk? That would be an example of grinding, right? So grinding is the insertion of implantable devices into the body. The body for biohackers is seen as a hackable entity. So a lot like hackers can hack computers, biohackers believe that you can hack the body. It is limited and constantly, the body is limited and constantly susceptible to fragmentation. Scientific processes and technological devices become viable ways to counter these fragilities by enhancing the overall performance of the body. Biohackers are saying that our bodies need help, and science and technology can help our bodies. Biohacking conceives of human embodiment as a project, a process of enhancement, modification, tinkering, active intervention that is realized in biology and culture. What results is a mechanistic understanding of the body, whose potentiality is directly dependent on externalized interventions made possible through technologies like germline genetic engineering and implantable technology. While the means involve scientific advancements in emerging technologies, the end is optimization. Well, I'm here today to let you in on a little secret. So I'm going to say that again, and then I want you to say, what's the secret? Okay? It's just a dramatic move into our next. Well, I'm here today to let you in on a little secret. What's the secret? I wish you would come to my class in Boston University. You're so attentive. So attentive. I have to talk to my students about this. Induced optimization through biohacking is not, I repeat, not a new occurrence. Ross Cutlass, in her essay, Ancestral Tech and the Future of the Black Body, argues that ancestral technologies employed by people of African descent to resist dehumanization are forms of biohacking, and that these technologies were in use before our current digital age. In this manner, I want to suggest here that Africana conjuring traditions like Hoodoo have provided and still provide viable ways that practitioners can enhance their lives through ritually hacking their bodies. Now it's time for me to prove it, right? Hoodoo practitioners of African descent represent those who have strategically hacked nature and bodies to enhance human experience. They employ Black bodily technologies in diverse ways to achieve circumstantial shifts in their lives and those who petition them. Zora Neale Hurston's pioneering work, Hoodoo in America, provides concrete examples of technologies practitioners use to hack their bodies in order to promote human enhancement. For instance, drinking fixed bottles prepared by Hoodoo practitioners rids the client's bodies of contaminants. The goal, to restore one's health to an optimal level. Ingredients of these bottles vary, but could include different types of peppers, garlic, a plant that is commonly known among Hoodoo practitioners as the devil's dung, quicksilver, and rum. Hurston also highlighted how practitioners utilize magnetized objects. And this was in the 1900s, early 1900s. Hurston also highlighted how practitioners utilize magnetized objects to enhance their petitioning clients' relational circumstances. Magnetized wearables, whether in the form of a metallic saint garter, a neck sack containing magnetic sand, or a string of metal coins, were used to tap the bodily energy of the client, aligning it with the energy of the object. This alignment of energies, as cited in Hurston's work, draws positive relationships, economic security, protection, and optimal health conditions. These results represent concretized improvement of the petitioning client's condition. In addition to ingestible and wearable technologies, other biohacking methods included the temporary implementation of objects into the body. Select Hoodoo practitioners interviewed by Hurston purported the benefits of sucking on copper pennies and silver money. Inserted metallic coins operated as a mode of detection. The following is an example of a ritual prescription that captures the process of detectable implementation. So these are the words of Hurston here. Either put a piece of silver money in the mouth of the patient. Notice, it's not a client. The Hoodooists saw them as patients. The patient, or bind it to the flesh. If it turns black, he is poisoned. If so, take a file and file some silver off the money and give it to him to drink in white rum or milk from a red or black cow. Their milk is the strongest. Interestingly, Hurston highlights that these coins can operate as either an ingestible or a wearable object. Ingesting the metallic coin serves as a way to detect bodily contamination. There's a science behind this, everyone. High levels of enzymes, whether it's amylase or lipase, from the client's saliva causes the oxidation of the base metal of the coin, which results in its blackness. For practitioners, this chemical reaction indicates an imbalance in the body that quite often correlated to the presence of poison. Not only is the metal coin a detector, but it serves as a vital role in the solution. The mixing of the metal shavings in a solvent like milk produces a solution that acts as a laxative, meant to purge contaminants and return the body to a more optimized state. Metal coins resulting mixtures function as temporary implantable technologies that detect and recalibrate and augment biological capabilities. What this ritual prescription demonstrates is the presence of processes akin to a subculture of biohackers known as grinders, whose primary objective is to improve the human condition through the implementation of cybernetic devices. Although grinders pursue long-term implementation, Hoodoo practitioners, as demonstrated in the previous examples drawn from Hurston's work, employ devices to both hack and optimize the bodies of their clients. Hoodoo practitioners strategically manipulate materiality like plants, alcohol, and coins in conjunction with the body to shift their clients' circumstantial conditions. These instances of materiality, whether in organic and inorganic forms, can be thought of as techno-conjuring devices. You've heard that. Technological devices that reconfigure nature to achieve diverse types of human enhancement. Enhancement results from the convergence of device and body. For those of African descent who wear or ingest these devices, they are no longer subject to just a mechanistic view based on race. Instead, their bodies are technological conduits that transform the human condition through the blending of body and technology. Those who adorn or ingest Hoodoo paraphernalia are not necessarily best understood as cyborgs. That's not a language I would use to describe what's going on here. Instead, they are transhuman. For they, according to digital Black religious studies scholars Philip Butler, they simultaneously accept Blackness as an identity marker and possess fluid identities that complicate racialized, static self-boundaries by transcending them.